Okay, let's go ahead and download the app, the Arpha app. ARPHA. There it is right there. Okay, I had to press the button on the bottom of the camera to get it to sync. Once I did, it was pretty simple. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the camera. We're in optimal lighting right now. It looks like it's a little bit overexposed on my face, at least on the image that I'm seeing on my phone. But nonetheless, it's very crystal clear. Let's go ahead and pan around the room a little bit. Yeah, you can see it's really doing a good job of picking up some good detail.